morning everyone, it's Lindsay the Crafty Blonde, and today I'm really excited to show you the new Crafty Ola Store May kit. So this has just come in the post. I've not opened it yet, so let's have a look what's in it, shall we? Okay, ooh, this looks lovely. So let's have a look at what we've got. We've got some A4 card, it's like a shiny white, pink, blue, turquoise and cream. We've got some A5 pearlescent card, well this is nice and shiny, pink, gold, cream, sort of a turquoise and then a darker turquoise. Foam pads, some nice copper, what do you call them, sort of peel offs, that's it, straight peel offs. Two nice tags. We've got the Dove Crafts Pearl Effects in pastel pink and the Memento in tuxedo black. Have a look at the papers. So we've got some nice sort of pastel colours with like a holographic polka dot on them. So we've got this sort of white, pale blue, green, peach, lemon and pink. And then we've got these beautiful papers. So we've got the stripes, stars, sort of like lots of little words on there. Be yourself, don't apologise. Live life forwards, not backwards. Open your heart to new beginnings. Lots of lovely little sentiments on there. Got this lovely sort of little florally pattern. Little paper planes. Just like an ombre effect going on there with the flowers. Nice bright bold floral. A pastel pink geometric design. Got little hexagons. Sort of like a scalloped sort of doodled border there. Some birds, and again sort of like the ombre effect with sort of like the random dots. So what else have we got? We've got the stamp set, pink mane, big thanks on there, and you've got I appreciate you for all you do, a huge to you, a million friends, you rock, a note of many. So lots of different sort of captions you can make up there with the thanks. And then we've got the die to actually cut out the thanks, and it looks like we've got one die that literally just cuts out the word, but then another die that cuts it out so you can have a nice sort of white border around it. Got these beautiful puffy stickers. They're cute, love that little butterfly there, and a little snail and teacup, very nice. And then we've got the pack of ephemera, 40 pieces in there. Let's have a look at what's in there. Doesn't want me to get in there. There we go. So what have we got in here? So we've got some picture frames. Let's move this out of the way so we can see a bit better what we've got. Got picture frames. that one. So we've got the picture frame with the sort of the moments in it. Flowers, some more pretty flowers. Flowers, oh I love these. I think I'd make some lovely cards with these. Little bunting banner. Another frame, oh, look, so we've got the heart. A couple of frames in there. Another frame. I believe in good things coming, so we've got the little sentiment and the frame. Nice little printed panel, stamp a nice little sentiment in there. Every day. Ampersand. Star, change is good. Little word panel. A little coffee cup, tea cup. Some more flowers. Little book, turn the page. So we've got like this little banner type thing. Perfect for stamping little bits on. So inhale the future, exhale the past. Little bird, little bunny, little star, tag, with a little star, little paper plane with a gold foiling on, with a little tag shape. Some more flowers, little magical arrow there. Oh, look at that lovely sunflower with the gold accents on there. It's got another little mug rather than a cup. A snail. Beautiful butterfly. Bird. This one to come out. Another little paper plane. And a little heart. So that's all the pretty ephemera. So, best get cracking with my 10 cards. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.